The global tally of coronavirus cases stands at 6.19 crore, while 4.27 crore have recovered, 14.48 lakh have died so far. According to media reports, the US, the war-set country, has 1.03 crore cases and 2,71,025 have died from the disease there. It is followed by India with 93,51,224 cases, Brazil at 62,38,350, Russia with 22,15,053 and France with 21,96,119 cases. There were no signs of a widespread second COVID-19 wave in the country, yet as fresh cases dipped to below 42,000 yesterday, falling for the second consecutive day, and the daily death toll from the virus staying below 500. Media reports said India recorded 41,504 new cases, taking the total case load to 93,51,351 as per data from the state governments. New Delhi-based Manipuri social activist and international model lamjingbatomtv has been conferred Pratibha Rakshak Samman Award by ARK Foundation, New Delhi. Our Delhi correspondent reports the award is given to individuals who extend aid to people across India amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal, in association with Fortis Escorts Hospital, Okhla, New Delhi, distributed hand sanitizers and face masks to residents at New Chekon Tribal Market in Imphal today. Rotary Club of Polo City President Josina led the team in distributing the items. Directorate of Health Services and District Administration Imphal West jointly organized a Community Action for COVID Safety Meeting cum Orientation Program today at Wangoi Community Hall. The program was held to disseminate information about the new COVID-19 SOP issued by Manipur government. A team of Transporters and Drivers Council (TDC) is constantly monitoring the ongoing repair work on Irang Bridge along Imphal-Jiribam Road. The bridge collapsed on November 1st last. TDC Joint Secretary B. Dhanabir Sharma said the repair work is in progress with the efforts of the state government and support and help from security forces and civil bodies. SDPO, PRT and OCIBZ today inspected illegal constructions and activities in paddy land in Kairao area, especially along the Kongba-Kairao road. Illegal encroachers were served notice by the team during the inspection visit. Uttar Pradesh became the first state to bring an anti-love jihad law after Governor Anandiben Patel promulgated the UP Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Ordinance 2020. The new law to curb forcible or dishonest religious conversations become applicable from today in Uttar Pradesh. A combined team of 30 Assam Rifles and Imphalis Commando yesterday arrested a cadre belonging to the band UNLF. He has been identified as Haurungbam Ranjit Maitai Lumba, age 45 years, son of H. Jila Maitai of Lausangkhong Mayailekai in Imphalis, police said. A combined team of Commando of Kumbi Police and 31 Assam Rifles on Thursday arrested an active cadre of the prescribed KYKL at Hauta Khulen during frisking and checking, a lead police report said. He was identified as Khumuk Chamnanau alias Joy Kumar Singh, age 32 years, son of KH Bira Singh of Kakching Khunau, Tingam Tarung Lekai. 1984 alumni of Kakching High School today conducted a cleaning drive along Kakching Loyai Lambi. Assistant Secretary of the Alumni, Naurem Mohendro, said that vehicles related to agricultural activities have made the road stretch dirty during this peak harvest season. Geologists have confirmed that the sparkling stones of Wanching village in Nagaland's Mon district are not diamonds. As per a media report, during the last few days, several hundred people have been camping near Wanching village along Myanmar border trying to dig out diamonds. Eyeing at least 22 out of 27 seats in the upcoming Bodoland Territorial Council BTC election, BJP has come up with more than expected promises to the people. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP released its election manifesto for the upcoming Bodoland Territorial Council BTC election yesterday. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, National General Secretary Dilip Saikia and State BJP President Ranjit Kumar Das released the manifesto in Kokrajhar. Iran's top nuclear scientist Mohsen Fakhrizadeh has been murdered on the outskirts of the capital Tehran after gunmen attacked his car yesterday. A According to media reports, the attack took place in Absard, a village that is considered a retreat for the Iranian elite. The Islamic Republic's state media reported that minutes before Fakhrizadeh was ambushed, a truck laden with explosives blew up near his car, forcing his sedan to stop. The report added that at least 5 gunmen then emerged and started firing at Fakhrizadeh's car continuously, killing the scientist and his bodyguard.